Yep, it's the best monitor I've ever owned. Intro. You know, there was a time in my life when I would just look on the internet at a high refresh rate, high detail monitor and just go, man, I wish I could actually have a computer that could run that dang thing. Well, as you guys have seen, I'm gonna link it up here, I have upgraded my computer hardware and I can actually drive a monitor like this without any problems, so why the heck not? That's my thing right now. Why would I not have one of these monitors? I'm sure you guys have asked yourselves that after you've seen my videos. Why are you not playing on a 2K monitor, Ricky? Why are you on a 1080p monitor? Well, that has now changed. I have finally gotten myself a high refresh rate, high detail monitor, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the details of it right now, and I'm going to show you guys why this is the best monitor that I've actually ever used in my life, and it is actually what I am calling igasmic. That is a word, I just made it up. You can use it if you want, whatever. Anyway, let's go over to VoiceOver, and I'm going to explain to you all the details about this monitor. Let's go. Okay, so with the Acer Predator xb271hu, we are seriously stepping up our game when it comes to our gaming monitor. This monitor supports a resolution of 2560 by 1440. It has NVIDIA G-Sync built in, and it is an IPS display, so you know those colors are going to be absolutely beautiful. It is a high refresh rate display supporting a refresh rate of 144 Hz, but it is also overclockable to 165 Hz. This monitor supports some really great I/O, including a display port, an HDMI 1.4 port, and then it also has a pass-through so you can actually support 4 USB 3 ports. One of the things that really jumped out at me right away when I first saw this monitor is how thin the bezels are. It really makes the 27-inch screen look way bigger than it actually is. And of course, because it is an IPS display, the colors are amazing and you literally cannot take your eyes off of it. The Predator's menu system is actually very intuitive, and it's great to see a monitor with the buttons actually on the front so they're easy to find and see. And I had no trouble selecting what I wanted to select on this menu system. A little added bonus with this monitor are the 2-watt speakers that are built into it. Now, they're nothing special, but I'll let you listen to them right now. The Acer Ergo stand lets the monitor pivot, tilt, swivel, and move up or down so you can find the most comfortable viewing angle that you prefer. But it kind of makes me feel bad though, because of course I'm not going to be using this awesome stand. I'm going to end up taking it off and I'm going to put it on my dual arm mount. Now, taking this monitor off and putting it on my dual arm mount was very easy. I simply just had to remove my old monitor, disconnect everything, go ahead and take the Predator off of its mount and apply the VESA mount to it and screw it in. Then from there, all you have to do is lift the monitor back up, throw it on the dual arm, and then adjust to your liking. Getting the monitor to come on and work with my system was as simple as connecting the monitor up, powering it on, going into the on-screen display and simply just selecting the input that I wanted, and voila, it powers on. Now, setting it up isn't as simple as just turning it on. We also need to make sure we put G-Sync on, so we're going to have to go to our NVIDIA control panel, check the box that says enable G-Sync, and then basically just press apply. The screen will flicker a little bit, but as soon as that's done, G-Sync should be turned on. After that, we need to go into our display settings and make sure we have this display selected as our main display, and then go down to advanced display settings, go ahead and click that, and once you're in there, you'll see that it's only set at about 60 Hz right now. Go ahead and select display adapter properties for display 2, go ahead and select monitor, and then from that drop down box, we're going to go ahead and go with 165 Hertz, the max it can go to, and then all you got to do from there is press apply, and you're good to go. Keep the changes, and now you have a 165 Hertz overclocked monitor. And now that we have everything set up and ready to go, let's go ahead and get into some games and see some benchmark numbers. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I just honestly really felt that it was time to upgrade my computer monitor, like my main monitor that I use for gaming, because I just upgraded my system, as you guys saw, and I felt that it deserved a monitor worth the hardware that I just put into my system. And now I think that it is paired beautifully and the two work in conjunction together, and it is actually just a complete system now, I believe, and it is exactly what I wanted and what I envisioned when I was building my PC in the first place, and it's what I've wanted for a very long time for gaming and editing and things like that. And then one other thing that I did not mention in the video so far, in Premiere, it actually makes my windows bigger. So when I'm editing, because of course I'm using a 2K monitor, not a 1080p monitor, it makes it about 2 times the size, well 2 times the pixels anyway. And there's a lot more real estate on the screen, so I'm able to make my windows bigger and I'm able to make my timeline bigger. So every bit of that is just a plus for me, as well as all of the gaming features and all of the eye-catching things that this monitor does. So if you guys really enjoyed that, make sure you guys give this video a like. I really appreciate to see you guys do that. And if you guys really enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on, because you're going to want to see my next video. There's going to be a huge giveaway in my next video, so please turn those noties on so you guys can be notified on what I do next, which is going to be a huge giveaway, and you guys are not going to want to miss it. So until then, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, so because I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Why am I saying I gotta stop saying so much. I'm trying guys. Anyway, cut that one. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm blanking on what I was gonna say.